ఇదేంటండి అలా అడుగుతున్నావు? అదంతే కదా. ఇంకా బయలుదేరదామా?
You have done yesterday's task, right? If you have any error, you can ask me now. Not, I will start today's class.
పొరపాటుగా తన ప్రేమ తెలిసినప్పుడు ఎవరైనా అలా అంటే తన మనసు ఎంత బాధపడుతుంది.
I think no one had any doubts, right? I think you can see my screen. Yeah, I'm opening my page, which I have created yesterday. I am working with several projects. That's why I'm getting my output like this. If you refresh it, it will get all right. But you should not use this refresh. You have to click Control Shift and R. Then you will get your output like this. I have not done this department section. That's why I'm not getting anything. Contact. Yesterday I have done this contact. Yes, my contact was posted, and if I check in my DB, it will be there in my contact table. What is my? I think medicine or something. Yeah, medicine. This is the data which I have posted now. Now, today I am going to explain how to do this registration and login. Okay. If there is time, we will try to do that login. First of all, we have to do registration. If we that if we're done with registration only, we are able to log in, right? If we have that email and password only, we are able to log in. If not, we can't log in now. So that's why let's try to do that registration. For registration, I need a form like this. So I want to take a new HTML file with the name of registration, and I want to copy the same content in the table, and I want to do some modification according to my requirement. Before that, I need to create a table for registration. For that, to create table, we have to go to models, right? So I am going to models.py and I will create a registration table here. I will take my table as customer. Creating a customer table. In customer, I need field match for full name. I need a full name. I should use character field. Here the length, whatever the required length, if you want, you can give here. I am taking as 100. This 100 is not required, but I'm taking 100. Okay, full name, and I need an email, right, to log in. Models dot email field. Next, I need a password. Models dot password also I'm taking as char field only. And for customer, there will be an address also. Address. For address, I will take, I don't know the number of characters he used for different persons. They will have different address. Some will have a big address, right? So I am using text field. For that, there is no need to mention any limitations for this. And I will try to name email, and also I need a mobile number. Models dot to use mobile number, we have a field called integer and big integer. Integer is used for small words and big integer is used for large numbers. Okay, and I will city also. For city, I need to use char field only because cities will be in characters, right? Char field max length is equal to 100, and I will take another pin code. Model start. I'll take for encode. I think pin code will be a small number, right? That's why I'm taking integer field. If it not works, let's try to change it. Okay. class equal to customer. Now, the next step after creating models is to do migrations. Okay. Create model customer. Now I have to do migrate. Let's check whether our table reflected here or not. Here present there is no table. If I do refresh, I got my table, right. Here it is there, and I had all the fields which I have given here. Now I need to create forms. Class. But if you take a form with the help with the name table name, then you will not get confused. If not, whatever the forms you want, you can take, but try to take the name related to your model so that you can easily identify your table for which form, which table, like this. I need all fields. Tomorrow or today, I will show you the different fields. Okay, we can use now. We can not only use these fields. We can also use some different methodology that will also I will show you how to do that. There is time. I will show it today only. If not, I will tell you on Monday because there were no classes tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Right? That's right. Okay. Now, for filling all these details, I should have a, HTML page, right? In the same way, how page for contact. In the same way, I should have a HTML page for registration. So, we'll take HTML page. For customer registration. Okay, you have to take your page in the in for suppose you are doing a login page. For whom you are taking that login. If we have three models like admin, vendor, and customer, you have to take three different registration pages with three different names. If you take for that registration page with the module name, so you will not get confused. Okay, I'm doing for customer now, so I'm taking I'm doing customer registration now. Customer registration. I will take this contact page and I'll copy this contact page and I will paste it in my customer registration. Just I will do some modifications. Okay. Just I will do some uh, modifications. Before that, I have to write views for this customer registration now. First, I will try to just open the page. Afterwards, I will show you how to write logic. Okay. Reformat is nothing but if we click on that, it will get a nice alignment and nice spaces. Okay, that's why we am using that reformat. Okay. Okay, I have used this and I will write some URLs for this. We'll also try to differentiate the URLs. Okay. The URLs. I have used my path name here and function name here and normal URL here. Now I'll try to open this page. I got the same page here. I have not run the server, that's why I'm not getting. Name customer here, the customer is not defined. Where in my forms.py, I will go and check. Here it was telling that where you got this customer from. So I have to import this customer from models. And another customer registration. The error I got is customer registration. Here I written my spelling wrong, which is TRA. Yeah, my run successfully. I reboot this page. I'm getting an error for customer register. Here also I did the same mistake. If I written the correct URL, then I am getting my page here. My page got loaded. Afterwards, I will show where I should keep this link and all. Okay. Before that, I will do some modifications in my contact in my registration page. Here there is contact us now. I will change it into customer registration. Let's check whether it has changed or not. Yeah, has changed from contact us to customer registration. Now I will remove all these stuff and all. I will give only the content only the fields which I have added in my models. I have to remove one by one. You should check it carefully and you have to remove that. If not, our template will get disturbed. Okay. I have removed that contact information, whether I have to check the contact information. Okay, it went up. Now I have some address, phone number, email, website, and some. That's it. Address, mobile, email, phone number, and website. I will remove all this content. Address only. Email. There is nothing in between these two. Remove this. Yeah. Yeah, I got my tables somewhat big, right? After removing that, I got my tables very small. If I don't, this one, let's keep it. Afterwards, we can make some changes in this, okay? I had a name, email, uh, full name, email, password, address, mobile, city, pin code, right? So I will go to my HTML page and my name is full name. I have given the model as full name, right? Full name, email, well, for mobile, the type will be number, and for email, the type will be email only. You have to check those types and all, okay? I give my placeholder as enter per number. Here, in place of message, I will take address. Address. Okay, take email, mobile, address, getting city and pin code also. I think. City, pin code, password. There were 3 more fields which I have not entered. Yes, I am using the content which I have taken above. Okay, we'll take city here. Okay, for city I use text and pin code is number only. Pin code. You have seen the difference. The names should be used which were in our models only. Okay, the same names you have to take. If not, you will not. The form will not get submitted. Okay. For password, I'm using type as password only. So the name I have taken is password only. And I will view this value as register. Let's check whether my fields are reflected here or not. Yeah, I got my name. This was stored in my Google. That's why it was coming directly. For you, it will not come. Okay. Name, email, mobile address, city, pin code, password. I got all my labels here, and I don't want this subscribe, this um, fields and all here. I will remove all these. Okay. I've removed the total section. Now I just have only my labels and all. Now I had only my input boxes. Now what I will do is I'll write a logic to store data in my uh, database. With the help of those details, I will try to log in with those credentials. Okay. For that, I have to write views. Now I written views for contact in the same way I am writing views for my registration also. Same lines and same, only the difference is forms and tables. Okay. Here I used contact form, right? But in my registration, I will use customer form. Okay. If request dot method equal to post, if it is post method, then you have to enter into the logic. If not, it will come out of logic. Okay. Form equal to, I was not getting that suggestion here because I have not imported any form here. We'll import customer form here. Now, once observed, now I got this suggestion because I have imported that request dot post. If there were any errors in my form, then it will get printed. Okay. Dot first, I will place my if it got registered, I will redirect it to the same registration page. Okay. Afterwards, I will change to login page. After creating that login page, I will change to that login page. Okay. HTML. Here I will pass a message like this. Successful. Else, I will redirect to the same page, but I will change my message. There is no need to give a message in that last statement because it will be like our welcome page. Whatever the page you want to open, it will open directly. If you pass any message, that message will also be printed. Okay, so you should not use any message or data in this dictionary. Okay. I will try to post the data. Was asking that required field. Now I filled all the data. I got a message, registration successful. Let's check in our customer table. You have to refresh here. Did you see? Here my customer table got registered. Okay. Now let's make some difference between contact and customer registration. In contact, the same person can register any in contact. He can contact us. How many times he want to contact, he will contact. But in registration, if I register with a mail, the same mail should not get be registered with the other person. So for that, we'll keep a condition for that email validations. Okay, let's try to do that. Once I will try to register with the same details. Let's see what will happen. I have registered with the same details. You see, but this is not the right thing, right? The same mail should not be get registered. He may have the same name, same address and all, but he should not have the same email and password. If we had the same email and password, it will be like one account can be opened with other account, right? So I will first of all I will delete this, and now I will put a validation in my views. Okay, how to put validations means, first of all you have to import models from dot models, import customer. I will import two models, customer and contact. Customer and contact. Okay, now I will put a validation here. If customer dot objects dot filter email equal to email dot exists, then it should say that return the first customer registration HTML, and it should I should get a message like this email already finished. I should get this message. Let's try to do this. Let's see if there is any error occurred. Else I will use else here. Okay, I have kept if and else block. So there is no need of this line. Okay, else form not is valid, form not similar. I will try to do the registration. Let's check for it. If I you will get one error, let's rectify that error after to do that registration. Here I got an error called email is not defined. It was the error is in 30th line. Let's check for that error, because we have used a variable called email. From where you got this email? So I have to take this email. If no, not if email equal to request dot post email. That means what the email which we are trying to post is stored in this variable. Okay. We have used this line in our edition program. We have done edition program using Django, right? In the this is almost the same line which I have used in our edition. Okay. Now we'll try to using here. I got a message called this email already registered. And it is also not got it was not registered in our database also. Like this, the code is very simple. Here we can easily know how to write a program, right? That means what our brain is thinking, we have to put it in your code. That's it. You will get the output. We have some conditions like this email should not get registered if it is already exists in our table. Simply you can write like this. It looks like some high level coding language. That means it will be easily understand by human. That is human understandable language. Okay. So we can easily build a program by human understandable language only. That means by seeing code only, each and every line we can get to know that okay, this line, the purpose of this line is posting, and the purpose of this line is some validation emails, and the purpose of this line will be some redirections and all, and these messages all can be easily understand by a human. Okay, that is why it is called as human understandable language, and also uh, human understandable language, also high level language. Okay, actually Python is called as high level language. Okay, now after registration we have to do login, right? So for that I need to create a login page. I will take my login page as customer login. I will take this customer registration page only. But I need only email, password, and submit button. I will change my registration to login. Now I need only email and password. So that's why I'm taking. I'm taking this mobile address, city, and pin code also. Okay. Here I will give my values. Login. Now I will try to write views for this one. Yep. Sorry, I will do it afterwards. First of all, I will open the page. Return under request. HTML. Yeah. Now I will write URL for this. Without URLs, you can't able to open the page. Okay. customer login, comma, dot. Doing the same thing. There will be no change in these URLs. Okay, you have to do some difference in the views only. You will have different types of logics in your views only. You will, but URLs will be same for all the pages. If there was any ID passed in my views, then the URLs will be changed, and I will show you in our next classes. Okay, I also written this customer login. Okay, I have written all them. Now, I want my login page here itself. In place of these departments, I will change my I will change the departments into my login page. By clicking on that page, my login page will get opened. Okay. So for that, I have to make changes in header. Okay. Here, I will pass URL of login. And I will change this name departments to custom. Let's check for that whether it has changed or not. Okay, there was some error. Okay, there is some error in customer login. What else? Let's see, customer login. Yes. If there was any error like this, you have to check each and every URL. Okay, and also you have to check all the names and views all. Okay. The same page, right? Smart. I will try to rerun the server again. Getting the same error. To open that customer registration, I was not able to. Okay. Once I will try to change the name of my views, and I will try to open the page again. Request. Return result are request customer .html. URL. Okay, my customer page got open. It was not taking that customer underscore login. Okay, let it be. Here, my customer login page has been opened. Did you see? I just had that email field and password field. If you want to add a labels, you can add here to get more clarity. Now, the thing is, we have registered with some credentials, right? With login, with email, password, PIN code, address, city, we have registered with some fields. Now, by using the same fields, same email and password, you have to get, you have to go to this login page. If you click on login, it has to redirect to another page called home page. In our Instagram also, if we click our username and password, it will go to some other page, right? Which will go to our home page that only related to you only. Okay. In the same way, here also we will try to log in with those credentials and go to the go to this customer home page. Okay. Let's do it tomorrow. So we don't have time today, and try to practice each and every thing which we have done up to now. If not, you will get confused at the end of the project. Okay. If we gave any project to do, you will get more confused. Okay. You have to get more clarity on these views, URLs, and also these how to create this templates and how to do some modifications in templates. I think template modification of these templates will be easy only, but the thing is you have to concentrate more on views and views only, not also URLs. You have to concentrate more on views only. Okay, the main logic and validations are the validations will be in our views Python file only. Okay, that's all about today's class. Okay, uh, don't neglect this. Okay, you will get more confused. Okay, if you skip one day also, you will get confused. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can contact me personally. I will rectify your issues. Simply you can show me that error and I will try to rectify it. Okay, if not, if then also, if it is not clear, I will connect you in through this AnyDesk and I will send you. Okay, okay, Amar, I will post our Satish sir will post those videos in our group. Okay, today I will remind him. I think he forgot to post those videos. Okay. Okay, then that's all about today's class. We'll leave today. Okay, bye.